Hey everybody, today is Tuesday, September 3rd. Thank you for watching my video. Today, I made some dumb mistakes fighting the trend, but it reinforced my plan and what I already know. So, I'm really excited to go forward after this day with the lesson that I learned. Now, let's check out the analysis. Hey everybody, so this is what the market did today. It made a very big sell-off. I don't know how many points that is, like 500 points intraday. That's a lot of points. I mean, look at the size of that daily candle bar in the top left. What did I do? I did not participate with directional bias. I violated my cardinal rule of trading, one of my two rules. So, big mistake. This reinforces the lesson that I've already learned a dozen times. But this is the first time I've made it since my last blow up, and since I really did a lot of work to define my trading plan. So I should have known better, but I'm going to take you through the analysis. This is my screen recording from earlier in the day. This is what I did. So yeah, I'm going to take you through it. So I went for longs today like a dumbass. It is very much a short the market environment. I mean, so there's my first long, kind of a confirmation candle entry because kind of a confirmation candle entry just because of those two hammer ups, but it's not supported by the directional bias. It's a gap down. It's shorting really hard. The 30-minute candle in the top right is about to close very bearish. The hourly candle is about to close bearish. Today is a day where when you see that, you should only be attempting shorts. You should not attempt a long until you see very strong bullish pressure and then a pullback to the downside, and then a confirmation candle up. Or in other words, a higher high and a higher low. And we have not had a higher high and a higher low yet. So it's dumb. Longs should not be on the table, but I took one and I lost, and I repeat that mistake several times. So big L for me. All right, so similar thing, still looking very bearish, but no long, or no, still haven't had a higher high or a higher low, and still gonna take a long at some point. Yep, here's the long entry. I put the stop at break even right away. So I should have just taken profits for the quick little scalp right on the breakout up, but I did not. And I get stopped out for break even. And guess what? I think the way this candle closes, it's actually a very good signal to get short. Because yeah, look at the market continues short afterwards. So if I had taken that short, I'd be making good money right now. I mean, what is that? It's like a 50-point candle. Anyway. And yeah, look how much that sold off after that entry signal. It sold off like over 100 points. Sold off like 150 points very strongly. And then we got more short scalp signals after that. More hammer downs. So, of course, today we should only be going to the short side. What does my dumbass do? I go long. And if I just stopped there, it'd be okay. It would only be I'd only have lost like 10 points on the day because I used 2 contracts for that long. But I get stupid and I go for another long, and I lose everything I just made. It's a dumb long, but I was rewarded for doing something dumb with that trade winning, and yeah, that's why I failed. Basically, like, it's today is a day where we should only be going for shorts, and every inverse hammer down. I mean, just look at the 5 minute chart, or the 15 minute chart. Like, most of those candles were strong sells. Now what? I think this is the last video. Yeah. No, we have yeah, this is the last video. So I just got stopped out again, and I think I take one more long and get stopped out. It was a very stupid day for me. Haven't made these mistakes in a long time. Just lacked discipline. I mean, I had 4 green days in a row for my last 4 uploads, and I'm very proud of that. I haven't ever had that, and that just shows that I am working in the right direction. And today I did something that I used to do, something that I'm not supposed to do anymore, and I lost pretty bad. I gave back all the gains for my last 4 days. Where if I would just follow what I did in those first 4 days that made me a lot of money anyway, it would have been a really damn good day. I would have made a great amount of points and had a really awesome day. But instead, I'm taking stupid longs. I'm trying to guess the bottom, and this is called hope. This is hope trading. Hope trading is just as dangerous as fear trading, because it gets you to do dumb shit that is off plan. And whether you're scared of losing your money, scared of losing, so you do dumb shit, or whether it's because you hope to get a good expected value and buy the bottom of the dip, it's just the end result is the same. The result is you do something that's off process, off plan, and it usually bites you in the ass. And if it doesn't bite you in the ass and you actually get rewarded, have a good outcome for doing that, that's also really dangerous, because then you'll do it again and get burned eventually. It never works out in the long run. And sitting out is very important. I like to be biased to the long, obviously. I mean, I took a lot of long trades today, but the market sentiment today was not long. It was a bearish market sentiment, and I got to realize that and go with that. Okay? It's simple, but it's hard to do, and that's why 95% of traders fail, because they can't participate that way. They want to be right rather than make money. And I cared more about being right today and buying the dip and thinking the market would reverse up than I did care about doing what is right. And what is right is participating with the directional bias and only entering on confirmation candles that support the directional bias. And I did not do that, and I was hurt. And yes, it ranged for quite a bit in the middle of the day, like 3 hours. So it would have been hard to hold that, but holding that would have been the right thing to do. And it could have just been scalps that you take and get back in next time you see a confirmation candle. So I'm going to end the video here. I pretty much said what I did wrong. I wasn't trading rationally. I was trading based off hope and guessing, which is stupid, and I don't want to do that, and that violates my guidelines and rules. And I'm not going to hopefully do it again. Hopefully I'll actually participate with the market and make money next time. So thanks for watching. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, how you traded today. And I appreciate you watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. Peace.